Privy Training Series Video 2. What's going on, guys? This is boy Brad here at Real Estate Investing Made Easy, and we are getting into how to capitalize on deals on market using the Privy real estate software. Getting right into it, we're going to be looking at, after we have built our buyers list, and you haven't watched that video, it's going to be down below. You build your buyers list, okay? You talk to those buyers, get in touch with them, figure out what they're buying at, what their buy box is, and then once you figure that out, you can actually find deals on market and use the Privy filters to filter through the deals that are on market to find those perfect deals for your buyers. All right, so what we're going to do now is create our process around finding those deals. And I have watched John Galen's process. This is a very similar process. It worked really well for us, and we've been using that quite a bit. So, shout out to John Galen and credit to him for getting us tuned into that. But I want to make sure that you guys are kind of seeing what we're doing, because we are doing it a little differently, and we'll get right into it. So we're going to look at, after we find that market that we're going to be looking in, all right, and we're going to look at St. Petersburg, okay? We're looking at active, single family. Let's bring this down if we can. Let's see what we can find, okay? I'm going to run the search before I save it and just see what comes up, because, we want to make sure their volume is there to get out the amount of offers that we want. I'm going to take all of these search parameters. The only one I'm going to leave is days on market, because what we're going to do is a two-step process utilizing the searches and the lists, okay? So in Preview, you'll see there on the left-hand side of the screen, you see here that there's lists and then there's searches. So the first thing we're going to do is search, right? And structure a search with those filters that we want. And from that search, we're going to take those properties that are generated and we're going to put them into lists where they'll be saved for future reference, okay? And so that's how we're going. That's really the process. It's moving them from searches to lists and then working out of those lists and managing them almost like a CRM. Really like a prospecting tool, much like launch control would be used as a CRM prior to them becoming leads. For text message marketing, we're going to be using Privy for on-market deals. So I'm going to run this search before I save it, because I want to see how many we have. Okay, we got 14 properties. I want a little more than that, so let's pop this up to 70%, see what comes up. All right, we got a couple more. And let me see if there's anything else I can do. Oh, this may just be it, guys, and we can run a different search later on. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to save this search, and you're going to do two searches, or what we do is up to 2 months and anything over 2 months, because we're going to prioritize the properties that we are been on market longer, and we know that we can offer a little less on those. So we're going to put St. Pete's here. We're going to put that in the Florida folder. And again, you get to get these in your inboxes as these properties update in Privy. You get these in your inbox, and so you can just automatically add those into a new list, or just update your list that you've already created. And we'll get to that point in a different video, but I'm going to save this search in the Florida folder, okay, and then I'm going to run it. Okay, now we got 18 properties here. Typically where you start is right here in this map, okay? You can do a split here if you want to look at more. You can do just a full grid without the map. You've kind of dialed in your list or your search. What we're going to do is pop these in to our list, okay? And so you're going to click this button right here. Now, I haven't put anything into a St. Pete's list, so what we're going to do is we're going to name it the same name as the search. St. Pete's 1 through 59 days on market, okay? Bingo. So now we're going to click that and drop them all in there. So now we've done the search. We're going to go now into our list. These are all the lists that we have, okay? And so if we go from start to finish, it would be your days on market, either 1 through 59 or 60 plus. That's how we break it up. Okay, from here, we're going to do what we call our soft vet or soft comp. All right, so that we can quickly identify which properties are going to be worth our time. From there, we're going to drop them into our comp so that we could do a little deeper dive. My underwriter will take a look at those as well. From the comp, we'll drop them into, if they still pass, we're going to drop them into our CRM and create offers. Once we create the offers, then we're just going to follow up with them in our CRM. From here, all right, what we want to do is go into our soft vetting process, okay? So basically, as far as the lists and the searches go, that's what you're going to do, and that you're going to run the same search, okay? What we want to do, like I said, We're going to do 2. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create 60 plus list, right? So we can pick up all the other ones. Okay, now we're going to save as and delete this copy. This is going to be 60 plus. All right, same thing. We're going to get emails for this. We're going to run this search. We got 15 properties here. And same thing, we're going to click this box. We're going to click our list. We're going to add a new list. St. Pete's, 60 plus. Days on market. Drop them into that list there. Boom. All right. And now we can go into our lists and work the St. Pete market. What you're hoping to do, what you're aim to do every day is to clear these out. These are your deals, right? This is your first stage. So what we're going to do is then go through, and I'll show you that process in the next video, our soft vetting and comping and what we do after that to find realtor information, submit our offers, add them to CRM. You can hopefully close these deals. All right. So if you guys enjoyed that, please like, subscribe, comment, let us know we're doing a great job. It's going to really help the channel out if you guys want to see more content. That is how you support us. And I will see you on video training 3, which is going to be our self-comping process. I'll see you guys over there.